Here's what we're going to be installing today, just some Evotech axle sliders to protect the bike in case of an accident. The wider one is the rear axle slider, while the narrower one is the front. So let's get on with the install. We will need a couple of ratchets with a couple of 13mm sockets. So for the rear, we're going to tighten one side completely tight all the way up, and that'll be the one that stays tight. And then I'm going to slide this in, make sure you get the correct piece on the correct side. And all we do, slide it in. And just snug it. The torque setting for these is 8 Nm. And that's it. Now you should be able to still spin the bobbin. Get it nice and straight. And that's what Evotech says you should do. Now for the front, same thing as the rear. That nut goes on as tight as you can on that side. Then we slide the spindle on, like so. Bobbin goes on the other side, covering the nut. And we do the nut up. Once it's tight, we torque it to 8 Nm again. Once you've gone ahead and torqued the front to 8 Nm, the bobbin sliders should still be loose, and you should be able to get them nice and straight. And that's the job done.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make